This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So to navigate through this matrix, we are given three conditions. The first is we have to always start from this 0th row, 0th column. So always we would be starting from this element P, and then we would check whether the character that is below to it is a alphabet or not. If it is a alphabet, then we would move down, or else we would be checking the character that is present right to the cell. So we would be checking this element. So if this element is a digit, then we would move right. So in this way we would be navigating through this matrix, and if both the conditions are not satisfied, like this is not alphabet and this is also not digit, then the particular cell would be the ending point of the navigation. So let us find the navigation path for this matrix. So first we would be starting from this P, and now we would check the below. So here this is not an alphabet, so we will not be moving down. So we are checking right side. So right side is a digit. So from P we would be moving to right side. So now currently we are at 6. So again we would be checking down. So here the down is a alphabet, so we would be moving down. So from P we have come to 6, and then we have come to Z, and from Z again we will be checking down. So this is not a character, but the right side is a digit, so we will be moving right side. And now from 7 again we will be checking down. So the down is a alphabet, so we can move down. And now currently we are at I, so again we have to check down. So the down is not the alphabet, so we will not be able to move down, and then we will be checking right side. So the right side must be a digit, but here it is a alphabet, so we are not able to move either down or right. So this is the ending point. So here we can see that P6 is at 7i, that is our output. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating two integer variables named R and C, and in the next line I am accepting the values of R and C, and then I am creating a two-dimensional character array named mat of size R cross C, and then I am accepting the input matrix and storing it into the character array mat. So now let us see the logic to navigate through this matrix. Always the navigation should start from the 0th row, 0th column. So first I am creating two integer variables named row and column and setting their values to 0. And then I am printing the first character. So the matrix of row and column would be the matrix of 0, 0. So this would always be the starting point, so I am printing it. And then I am creating a while loop. So this is an infinite while loop. So this loop works until a break condition is executed. So within this loop we are checking whether the character that is present at the next row and same column. So matrix of row plus 1 and column. So we are checking the character that is present at the next row and same column is an alphabet or not. So to check whether it is an alphabet, we are making use of this function is alpha. So if this condition is satisfied and the row plus 1 is less than R, because the row plus 1 should not be exceeding the boundary. So we are also checking this. If row plus 1 is less than R and it is a alpha, then we would be able to navigate to the down cell. So we are incrementing the value of row by 1, and then we are printing the character present at matrix of row and column. So the row value would have been incremented. So here directly I am using row for printing. So now if this condition is not satisfied, then we have to check for the character that is present in the right cell. So we are doing it in this condition. So we are checking the character present at the same row and the next column. So the row value remains unchanged, and we are checking column plus 1. So the right element would be checked, and here the character should be a digit. So we are making use of this function is digit. So if the character present at the same row and next column is a digit, then we would be able to navigate to that cell. So we are incrementing the value of column by 1 and printing the particular character. And here also we are including the condition column plus 1 less than C, because we should not go out of range. And if both of these conditions are not satisfied, Then in the else condition, we have included the break condition. So this loop would stop working. Now let us check our program with sample test cases. So now I have given the sample input 1 and our expected output is here. So we are also getting the same values. And for the sample input 2, this is our path. So we are also getting the same values. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.